Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing K-1 fiancé visas and what I call the so-called widow's dilemma. I'm not trying to be snarky with this title. This is a very serious issue. In the past, there was actually a split in the circuit courts as to what would happen if a K-1 fiancé entered the United States, even got married, but hadn't yet to complete their adjustment of status. And there was one circuit that said, no, we go ahead and treat it, if that person's spouse died, we go ahead and treat it as if they hadn't died, and we just go ahead and process it. And there was another circuit that said, no, it extinguished at the moment that the person died. Ultimately, this went to the Supreme Court. They decided and said, and I think it was rightly so, hey, just treat it as if, you know, the person's spouse had not passed away. They did everything in good faith. We're going to go ahead and issue them their immigration benefits. So again, if a K-1 fiancé gets to the United States, marries their prospective spouse, and then that spouse passes away, in the sense of immigration, and again, that would be a terrible set of circumstances, but in the sense of immigration law, no, that there would be very little effect. That widow could, or widower for that matter, could still seek their immigration benefits. Where there is kind of a dilemma with K-1 visas, though, is the same cannot be said if that fiancé is abroad because they haven't married their American citizen counterpart. And this is where possibly for older folks, where you've got one partner or more than one, where both parties are a little bit older, or there may be some health issues involved, it may not be a terrible idea to be looking at a marriage visa, getting married first rather than seeking the fiancé visa, because the marriage itself, there is a widow benefit for marriage visas specifically. There is an ability to file for a widow of a United States citizen. There is not an ability to file for the fiancé of a United States citizen that passed away if that person has not entered the United States and gotten married. So again, if there are health issues or age issues associated with a given couple, may not be a bad idea to go ahead and seriously consider getting married before getting into the immigration process.